So I created a system called Stink that really helps homeowners finally figure out why they're not getting the results they want. Each thing in Stink kind of walks you through each process of what you need to do to get rid of your pest problems. Now, some sections will take time and effort to do it, but I promise you it's not like a week process. This can happen in a day or 2 days if you really are determined to do it. So let's get into the system that I created. Now, first thing is S. Stink. So S, spot the source. That is meaning you have to figure out where they're coming from and why they're there. What are they looking for? And where do they come from? You know, you just have to understand them to really treat them. If you understand why they're there, why they're there for, and where they're coming from, then you can easily go to the next steps. Easily. I promise you, this is the most important step, because every time you have a pest control person go out there, what they do? They inspect your home to look for where they're coming from and why they're there. Once they figure that out, they can treat your home, and you should be doing the same thing. Most of you guys only just spray and pray that it's going to work. No, you have to really understand where they're coming from and why they're there and where they're coming from. I said that already, but you understand that why that's so important, because once you figure out where, you can spray that exactly and save your time and chemicals inside the house and be smarter about it. Right? Be smart about it. I'm not saying your pest control tips you find online are wrong or what you're doing have been wrong. No, you just didn't get told the full truth. And I'm telling you here now of if you do it this way, you're going to have a better time. And that's S. T is terminate the environment. What does that mean? Right? You figured out why they're there. Take that away. If it's food, if it's shelter, take that away. If you have roaches and they're hiding under your stove because there's crumbs, take the crumbs away. Remove them. Under the refrigerator. Clean out under the refrigerator if you can. Refrigerators are kind of heavy, so I understand. Under the microwave, if it's crumbs, any crumbs, just take away their environment that they need to survive, and you will actually stop them from living like Larry, living peacefully. That means closing up areas that they can walk through, moving things around and clearing out areas that they normally are comfortable in, and actually disrupt their environment. Because once you do that, they have no choice to go with the next step. It's implement your killing device. That can be snap traps, that can be bait traps, that can be glue traps, that can be anything. Once it's cleared and they're normally in that spot for shelter, for food, you can put anything there. You can put a snap trap there for mice. You can put glue boards for mice. You can put bait for roaches. You can do anything there because they're used to that area, right? And once you do these things, I don't want you guys to clean heavily. Just water just water in a rag and wipe up the crumbs, the grease stains, or wherever's there, and don't erase their trail of anything they leave behind, because pests leave things behind so they can get back there. If you leave that trail there and put the bait there, they're going to believe this is the food we've always been getting, and that's how you're going to be able to do a quicker knockdown, right? And that's all you have to do, right? You want to use sprays, not on cabinets, not on the floor, not on the countertops. And if you do that, you'll be fine. Right? It's all a system that it's easy to follow, right? Easy to follow. Then the next one is note the difference. Just document how things are going every 7 to 10 days. 7 to 10 days. If you see more, you see less. If you see more, keep applying. If you see less, apply some more. And then you keep doing that. You keep doing that. And just write it down. And that leads to K, keep it going. Keep it going until they're gone. You can't fail until you stop. You understand? You can't fail until you stop. Maybe the product doesn't work right now. Look for another product and do that product. Doing what I'm telling you right now could be done in a week. You understand? It could be done in a week. It could be done in a few days. It's not hard to do. I made a system for you guys to be able to do it on your own, and easily at that. And that's all I'm saying. It's easy to get rid of your problems if you know the why behind everything. You have to know why you're doing this, why this bait, or why this snap trap, why this spray, not this spray. If you understand why, you can easily get anything out your house you don't want to. That could be people as well. But you have to know why before you start treating, because if you don't know why, you're just treating randomly, you're not going to know why it worked or didn't work, right? So that's my little tech talk today, and I appreciate you guys listening, and I'll see you guys later.